Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset VLC Media Player preferences back to their default settings. If VLC isn't working as expected or you've changed settings that you can't remember, resetting the preferences can often solve the problem. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's running, click the Tools menu at the top of the window and select Preferences. This will open the Settings window, where all of VLC's configuration options are stored. Next, look toward the bottom of the Preferences window and click the Reset Preferences button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to restore the default settings. Click OK to confirm your choice. Keep in mind that resetting the preferences will remove any custom settings you've made, such as interface changes, playback options, keyboard shortcuts, or audio and video adjustments. I mean, your media files won't be deleted, but you'll need to configure your preferred settings again if necessary. After confirming the reset, close VLC Media Player completely and then open it again. Restarting the application ensures that all the default settings are applied correctly. If you are experiencing playback issues or unexpected behavior, check whether the problem has been resolved after the restart. If resetting the preferences doesn't fix the issue, you can also consider updating VLC to the latest version or performing a clean reinstall for a fresh setup. And that's it. You now know how to reset VLC Media Player preferences to their default settings. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.